Hey YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Today, about to pull out the SRT Magnum, know what I'm saying? Just to stretch his legs right quick, man, because you know the car been sitting for like, man, I'm gonna say probably about a good month now, probably. Yeah, probably longer than a month, probably about 5 weeks now, you know what I'm saying? Started up yesterday, you know what I'm saying? Turn this light back on right quick. Started the car up yesterday, you know what I'm saying? Because I haven't started both of these cars up. The Riviera or the Magnum, have not started none of these up in about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. So starting up yesterday, and like I said once before, hey man, get y'all, I just took it off because I'm about to drive it, but go ahead and get y'all this get y'all battery tender, man. You see it's hooked up, and you feel me? It's hooked up. And them cars start up with no problem because you know, past couple weeks it's been cold in the mud, like -2 degrees, 0 degrees, snow. Man, it was like like around 0, 1, 2 degrees, like a good 2 weeks, man. So yeah, I didn't even decide. I ain't feel like coming in and start them up then, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I turned them on, started with no problem. I don't know if I said this yet on the SRT right here, you know what I'm saying? Change the pulleys and all that. I didn't mention that in the previous videos. I'm about to change the water pump on that, man. But I'm not gonna change it right now, you know what I'm saying? Squeak from time to time, like I said before. It's probably gonna squeak when I start it up. And then when it warm up, probably go away, then it probably come back and so forth. So who knows? It's not loud, so I'm not really tripping. About to move the Impala, know what I'm saying? You feel me? LTZ daddy with them tan guts. See the Durango? Yes, sir. And you see it. Rusty. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we just drove this recently too, know what I'm saying? So once the rain came back, cause like I said, it was snow, but yeah, see, all this is gone now, know what I'm saying? But yeah, still driving Durango, you know what I'm saying? You know, the Durango is really a put-up truck, not really a winter truck, you know what I'm saying? We put that truck up, drive it, we get it out though, you know what I'm saying? During the winter time though, streets a little bit cool, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Still wash it, you know what I mean? Get up underneath it, get the rust off, get the salt off from underneath it, blah blah blah. But most of the time the truck really sits for real, you know what I'm saying? Probably be driven. Like I said, it didn't do no snow driving at all. Just only when it melted, bring the truck out. But tell you what I'm doing in this video right quick, man. Me getting on right here, man. The coupe, man. Got some things coming, you feel me? Got some things coming, you know what I'm saying? Have not bought anything yet, but the ideas is ramping up in my head, you know what I mean? It's about to be February in a few more days. So I'm really looking like, yeah, we gotta get some things popping, man. So it's gonna be a lot of upgrades. I ain't say a lot of upgrades, but it's gonna be some upgrades coming this year for both cars. You know what I mean? Probably a little something for the Impala. I don't know about the SRT Durango yet, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, it's a wifey car, so truck, so you know, we don't know about that, you know what I'm saying? So either way, that it speaks for itself, man. You know what I'm saying? 392 Durango speaks for itself. Anything else is just overkill, you feel me? But we got some things coming, man. We're gonna do a little something in the interior, man. I don't know what yet. Could be 2 or 3 things, could be 4 things, could be 5 things. I don't know. But we're gonna do a little something in here. I don't know. It's changing the interior, adding something to the interior. We don't know. But hey, let me get in the Riviera because I want to do a little something with that. You know what I mean? Little accessories inside here. You know what I mean? And I got why I can come in here now. And I gotta look how I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? And can I do it? And how it's gonna look? So I'm looking right now. Just looking around. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Just looking around. See how I can make some things happen in here. But yeah, man, I'm just looking. something's gonna go on with this too, man. So, but most importantly, before we even add anything to this car, you know what I'm saying, you gotta get the frame put on, man. Yo, so if y'all don't know, I do need to put a new front cradle underneath the Riviera. You know what I'm saying? I already have it already. Probably had it about a couple months now. Maybe not. Probably had it since October. Yeah, had it since October, man. So that's got put on. That's gonna get put on before we even touch anything accessory with this car right here, man. So that's definitely getting put on. Like I said, the Magnum. Definitely doing something with the Magnum. I don't know how much I want to spend yet. Probably spend a little bit. Probably spend a lot, but it's not expensive at all. What I'm gonna do is none of these cars, most of this stuff I'm probably gonna end up doing myself. So save me another lot of money. You know what I mean? But and two of these things I am doing, the Impala and the Magnum, I'm gonna add something. They're gonna have the same thing when I'm gonna add. So yeah, man. So y'all know we working, getting the things popping. Let's go ahead and start this SRT up and see if we can hear this mug squeak right quick. It is squeaking on, you know what I'm saying? But y'all make sure y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe to the channel, man, because we keep things coming, man. You feel me? Hey, monetizing probably gonna come. See, right now you don't hear it. Now you hear it. It's a little loud, but it'll go down, man. But it'll go away. We can get away from it because it's a little bit too loud for me. But yeah, man, things is coming, man. Things is working, man. Like I said, I ain't monetized, so I ain't really sweating it. You know what I'm saying? I do this for fun. Number one, and number two, I do it because it just keep a good history of myself. Good history of my cars, good history of what's going on, and basically like a timeline. So maybe one day when I ain't here, you know what I'm saying, everybody can go back and look at it. My son go back and look at my dog, come back and look at it. My girl, my brother, my dad. I mean, I don't plan on leaving before my dad, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's why I do the channel for it, man. Just because the love of the cars, man. I just do it for the love of the cars. Or something that I feel like there ain't a whole lot of this no more, man. There's right now, there's a lot of people just buying cars and just trying to fit in. You know what I'm saying? There's no more love. There's no more love in this shit no more, man. You know what I mean? There's no more love. No more originality. There's somebody trying to fit in because they gotta just say they have a car. You know what I'm saying? And really don't know nothing about the car. Don't know nothing about horsepower. Don't know nothing, man. Don't know, like, they think a Scat Pack is slow compared to a Hellcat. Like, you don't, like, from a dig, a Scat Pack will kill a Hellcat, man. Especially if you got some good tires, man. So there's like people that really don't know about cars, man, just watered down and just sad, man. So once again, it's your boy Rich 419. I can't give y'all my updates and what I'm really gonna do, but it is what it is, man. Like, share, subscribe. Then we're going now. Peace. But I know what y'all came to see today. Y'all came to see the box. Yes, sir. Flip it around right quick, man. Yep, it came in today. So, probably the first things we
Young Nab, baby.